This is Canada's largest Ribfest. The spiciest corn you can ever have.
So this is our original and that's our sweet chili heat. That's the sweet chili heat.
I like this one. Wow.
Then we have full rack.
Wow, really good. Hey man, how are ya? God's energy. Welcome back to Levels of Travel. Today we are at a Ribfest right here in Burlington. My friend over here, John, he is from Burlington and he invited me to come to the Ribfest, and here we are. We are going to experience the Ribfest. I have a brother here with me, a niece, and this is John's dad. He's also right here. He's rocking a nice cowboy hat. And right now we are just walking towards the Ribfest. So many people right over here. Yeah, exactly. And it's right in front of the water. So Riverfest is happening right in front of Lake Ontario. So that's a beautiful part. Is this the entrance? Trying to see where the entrance is. Maybe this is the entrance? Yeah. This is the entrance? Oh, okay. So right here at the entrance. We're gonna get in right now, right into the Ribfest. Over there.
It's $2 entry.
Oh, $2 entry, okay. Here.
Stamp.
Waiting for everybody to come in. After this is just gonna be a walk around tour of the Ribfest. They got some good music over there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dave on bass.
I just set up the mic so that we have better audio. While we're walking around, it's really busy right now. So right over here you have different vendors and they all have a lot of trophies right over here. 2023 People's Choice Best Ribs, first place. So they have won the first place. Wow, really cool. Really nice. Hey man, how are ya?
Very well, you?
Good man. Smells good.
Huh?
Smells good.
You should try it.
Yeah man. It's only cash only, eh?
Yeah.
Ah.
There's an ATM right over there.
There's the ATM there? Right. Did you find anything that you like?
So we'll walk around and see the best. We'll get the best ones.
We'll get the best ones? Yeah. So we're gonna walk around and look for the best ribs that we can find here. Already everything looks good, so I don't know which one is the best one, but everything looks good.
People who have won the most awards, we'll get the ribs from them.
Okay. So my brother is saying that we'll get ribs from the ones that won the most awards. So we'll do that. You know, one thing that I cannot get my eyes off is the water. Look, you have the view of the water. And right over here, you have the Ribfest. Wow, really good. Really good.
You want to try some sauce?
You want to try some sauce?
Yeah.
So this is our original, and that's our sweet chili heat. So that's original that you're trying.
What is that?
Original.
Original. So we're trying the original sauce.
Well, yeah, it's not bad. Well, I like this one better.
Yeah,
Yeah?
that one has a little zip, but nothing
Yeah, I
bad,
like that
right?
one, yeah.
Mm.
Has good flavor to it.
That's the Desi style.
Yeah, that's good.
That's the sweet chili heat.
Yeah.
So, or you can say spice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I like this one. Yeah, really nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the hot sauce. Very nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Hi. So this is
Really good. It's now pouring a little bit. There's a little bit of rain right now. Wow. Look at this. There's so much option you have over here if you want to have ribs. Oh man. Wow. So you got vendors on both sides, and there's people in the middle. They're walking and they're just picking where they want to eat the ribs from. What is that? Hot sauce?
No, it's just our regular sauce. We only have
Regular?
one.
You got something hot?
No.
No?
We have hot sauce.
Hot sauce?
Thank you, though.
Thank you. Nice. Really nice.
Guys, care to try? Take a taste?
Is it hot?
It's not. It's sweet, smoky, hint of apple at the end.
Oh, all right. Let's give it a try.
How's that?
It's actually not bad. It's really good. After having some sauce, I need some water.
I know.
Yeah.
Clear your palate, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Honestly, it's a whole vibe. This is Canada's largest Ribfest. There's a lot of people here. There's a lot of good energy in this space right now. Ottawa's best sauce. Look at this. Uncle Sam's. Look at the lineup here. There's a big lineup right over here. A lot of people. They want to eat the ribs from this spot right over here. Wow. I think this is for the beverages. If you want to get some drinks, you get some drinks right over here. Nice. Nice. Drinks are pretty expensive. You get a beer for like $11. Are you guys enjoying? Yes? Nice. Wow. Look at that. Waterfront. This gets me all the time, man. You're right in front of the water. Ah, really nice.
We gotta go with this place.
This spot?
Yeah.
Bibs? You're getting ribs from the Bibs?
Yeah, man, that's it.
There we go. Bibs, Texas. So,
Not one, not two, but 3, 4, baby!
so that's what the spot is called, Bibs, and we're getting ribs from the Bibs. Look at this. Wow. Looks so good, man.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Tastes that way too.
Oh yeah, I believe it.
Bigger bags, $2, boys, more beef, a bit more tender.
Yeah, I'll take that one. We just came in from the water. We're gonna sit right here and eat chicken. Wow.
Then we have a full rack.
Nice.
Let's see how it is.
Try it. It's good?
Good. Love it.
Nice.
Try it.
Mmm.
Try it.
Wow. Really good. I'm really enjoying this right now. How was it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's really good.
It's a whole vibe. Look at this piece. Wow. Yeah. My hands. Look at the water. We're just sitting here and eating right in front of the water. Wow. It's a whole vibe. We just finished eating, just going back in. I feel so full right now. How do you feel?
Same here.
Full? Yeah.
Got a
Amen.
stamp.
Yeah. So right over here they have the portable washrooms, and that's where I use the washroom. And now we're just gonna walk around. There's also rides there, so we're gonna go towards the ride from the other side. Hey man, how are ya?
Ribfest!
Thanks man, I like yours too. Yeah.
Let's not
Right over here, you got
Mexican
some corn. Nice.
corn. What is this? Butter. What is this butter?
Butter, okay.
Yeah, sure. Ito ba ito? My favorite. Top of guy right here, no man next to him.
You got your corn, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yo. Thank you.
Hey,
Let's go.
there we go.
Now we're gonna put some stuff on it. What do we have here?
What is that? Seasoning for chefs.
I don't know what's in there, but I'll try that. Paprika. No.
Try this.
Hot cayenne, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Nice.
You have lemon? Chaat masala.
Really? Wow. Nice.
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper, wow.
Allow us to wait, allow us. Oh, Mexican chili, look at that.
All right, let's do that. There we go. You got it now. Hey man, do you have lemon?
No lemon.
No lemon? Oh, okay. No worries. There's a lemon pepper. Oh, this one?
Oh, this one.
Oh, that's the one. Okay, okay.
The lemon pepper. Let's try it. Try it.
This is the spiciest corn you can ever have.
There you go, Deep. Vegetarian.
Mm.
What do you think?
Really has a lot of flavors. Man, I just had some corn, really spicy corn. Now we're just gonna go towards where the rides are, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like right over here. Some rock climbing right over here. Nice.
No. Just impromptu, that's what's worth it.
Oh, check this out. They have a little train over here as well. Wow. Look at this. Really, really, really beautiful. You know, this is where I want to end the video. I just wanted to show you guys what the Ribfest looked like here in Canada. And Riverfest is all about bringing your family to a place where you can enjoy some good food, some good music. There's rides for kids. So I think it's a great place to bring your family during the summer, and it is just a whole vibe here. There's just nothing but good energy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got a little taste of what it feels to be at a Ribfest here in Burlington. And you know, that is what summer's all about. Summer's about enjoying the hot weather. And it looks like everyone's doing that. All right, that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. God's energy.